Which creates the best video, Veed or Submagic? Now, it depends on your definition of best, right? So for Veed, it's more professional looking videos, right? Something that's more refined, something that's more professional, something that's more worth presenting, you could say. You can see it's much more professional like this, right? It's something that's probably best suited for presentation and for professional settings. But for example, on Submagic here, now this is something more available for TikTok, for Instagram. Now, it's something to create something viral, right? Like a viral short, a viral Instagram clip, a viral YouTube shorts, things like that. Now, I do have Submagic pulled out up here. Now, this is what the UI of it looks like. You can see you can get 15 free videos. You can get pricing plans. There's a couple of projects you can try out here, like generate caption and magic clips. Now, I do have the Veed option also pulled up here. Now, you can see on Veed, it's something more professional looking, right? Like creating an avatar of yourself, creating clips, AI to text video, AI dubbing. You can also create a new project, record a video. But if I go to templates here, you can see it's much more professional here. It's not something that you usually see on TikTok or on YouTube or on Instagram for that matter. This is all very professional looking. So it depends on what you're looking. If you want something more professional, go with Veed. But if you want to look for something that can make you go viral, go with Submagic.